Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over my springtime summer wish list. So this stuff is about traveling, experiences, material things, just things that I want and things that I find very cute for the spring and the summertime. So let's get started right now. If you like this type of content, if you like luxury content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. To start off this list, I have a blue marine satchel. They're kind of like satchels or like tote bags. They have a flap on the front, so I wouldn't really call it a tote, but they're just like a furry, eco fur type of tote bag. And I think they're so pretty. In my last video, I put the heart bags, but I do want this like satchel, square type of satchel. They have black, pink, and blue. I want the pink one and maybe the black one. My only issue is I'm scared how the fur will be like using it, if like I can use it every day, but I felt it in person. The fur is really soft. I don't think it would be an everyday bag, but I definitely want that. Number 2 is Bottega Veneta. I really am into their pouches, and they have a bunch of colors that I really like. Like they're yellow, they have a mint, a pink, which is perfect for the spring. I had another like a caramely color that I think was really cute for transitioning to, like if you want to do around March or April to just use that bag from the winter to the spring. Is so cute. It goes with everything. It's about the pouch is like this big, and it has, you know, like a pouch clasp, and it fits under your arm perfectly. They have the mini size. They have a bigger one too, but I like the mini ones. They have so many colors. I want every single color for every season. They're so cute. Next up is Bottega Veneta heels and sandals. Like, I'm obsessed with their sandals right now. Their shoes are just perfect. I want their Lido flat sandals, and I want their Lido heels, mules, and then they also have strap sandals, which are really cute. They have these sparkly glitter heels that are so luxurious. They're not like a everyday type of wear, but they're perfect for if you're going to like a villa in the Bahamas, or like if you're going somewhere tropical. I see myself wearing that there on a night out on a like a boat or something. They're perfect. They're beautiful. Next up is EB Denim. I want their larger size oversized jeans. This is not that expensive. They're like $300, but I do think that investing in a good pair of jeans is so important, and I really want to try their jeans. Bottega Veneta has some jeans that are similar. I like a baggier look, and they are about, I think, $800. But the EB Denim jeans are about $390, $350. They have different shorts, different clothes, different denim. They're very cute. I would definitely get those. Next up is a Hermes scarf. I think that their scarves are really pretty for the summer. I really like their summer patterns. They're like very whimsical and cute. They have a blue one, pink one. They have so many colors. Yellow, you can match them up. I think they will fit so well like around your neck with like a black top, just simple. And they're perfect for like the summer if you're going to Miami. I think the colors really match the vibe of Miami. They're so pretty, and they're great quality. I felt them in person. They're great quality. Next is Hermes sandals. I just want the brown pair, like an everyday pair. I know a lot of people have mixed reviews about these. They say they're very uncomfortable, but I want to try them out. I've had flat sandals, so like I understand they're not going to be the most comfortable, but I do think the Hermes, their brown ones, brown leather sandals, are so pretty. I think they can go with anything. All of this stuff is kind of giving me like tropical Miami vibes, so I think the Hermes sandals will go well like if you're shopping in Miami. They're so cute. You can pair them with anything, honestly. Next up is Chanel 19. I do want the Chanel classic flap, and I'm not really into other Chanel bags, but I think the Chanel 19 it's a unique look off of the Chanel classic flap. So if you don't want the basic Chanel classic flap, I mean, why wouldn't you? But if you don't want the same one that everyone else has, Chanel 19 is very pretty. It has a bigger like quilt size. There's lambskin and goat skin. I don't know the difference. I'll watch a video on it, but I just want one of them. They have a black one, and then they have a really pretty pink spring color one that I want to try and get. They are very expensive. Chanel prices are increasing, so I don't know. Next up is a new brand that I just found, is Jacquemus, and they have a lot of affordable, it's not as expensive as Bottega, but they have a lot of very niche and silent luxury, not necessarily silent, but they have a lot of chill luxury clothes. I would say chill luxury, and I've been looking into clothes more. So Jacquemus has a lot of different summer bags. They have this very pretty denim pattern on their bag, and I'm not sure which bag it is. The names are in French, but I like the denim pattern. And then they have the La Grande Chiquito, which is like a larger bag, like a larger shoulder bag, or you know, crossbody. It's pretty big. I really like that one for like an everyday look. Le Panier Soli, which is another very pretty one. I also like the La Bissou, Le Bissou, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'll insert it on the screen. I like that one in yellow. I want to get that one in yellow. I think it's so pretty. They have so many different colors, different patterns. It's a perfect luxury, silent luxury brand, and it's pretty new. Next up is Jacquemus clothing. They have a bunch of, they're like, you pin the middle, like right by your breast, and then they are long sleeve or knit or rib knit. They have so many different types. They're different colors. They have a purple one, a yellow, brown, white, black, and then they also have like hoodies and stuff. I think their clothes are very cute. Like, I'm just now getting into this brand. They have a lot of nice clothes, especially for the summertime. So if you want some cute clothes for the summer, hit up Jacquemus. Now I'm gonna get into fragrances. MFK, which is Maison Francis Kurkdjian, is a very nice and luxurious brand with a lot of nice fragrances. If you heard of them, you probably heard of their Baccarat Rouge. I like their floral rose scents. They have two, Femme Plural, and then another rose one. I think they both smell amazing. Like, recently my nose has gotten so sensitive to scent. I don't know why, but I think these two scents are perfectly light for the springtime specifically. They don't necessarily give me like Miami vibes, but they're perfect for like LA springtime, or honestly anywhere springtime. They remind me of like a Italy, France garden type. They smell amazing. I would recommend you smell them first. They're very light. They're pretty packaging too. The colors are pink. It's just a perfect springtime fragrance. I don't want to wear my YSL Opium or Carolina Herrera anymore for the, you know, springtime. I want something light and fresh, and those are floral scents. Now we're getting into experiences. For me, I love to travel, so once March, April hit, I'm like, okay, it's time to get out of California. I need to travel. That's my goal for the summer. Let's start. Number one, JetBlue Mint. I want to fly JetBlue Mint. I have never flown like first or business class. I've flown Comfort Plus and Delta, but that is not, it's not the same at all. I want to fly JetBlue Mint to like the tropical areas like Caribbean or Miami. They have a lot of great reviews on their flat lays, and they're like the only domestic type of airline in the US that does flat lays, I believe. So they have great service, great food on there. They have tropical food, especially when you're flying to like St. Thomas or something. So I definitely want to try that. I think the vibe and just the aesthetic of JetBlue Mint is just so pretty too. So I definitely want to try that. Next up is Virgin Voyages. This has been new recently. I want to go on a Virgin cruise with my friends or something. Like, I feel like it'll just be such a freeing experience. I went on a cruise last year for my 21st birthday, and it was honestly one of the best experiences of my life. But it was Royal Caribbean, so it was like a lot of kids and just a lot of screaming and just a lot. But Virgin Voyages, they do everything, all adults, no kids, 18 plus. That'll be amazing. Like, such a difference from Royal Caribbean. You can go get ice cream, you can do fitness routines, nice restaurants. You go to the Bahamas, Bimini, I believe, and then so much to do, and it's just adults only. Like, it seems amazing. And then another cruise that I want to add on here is celebrity cruises. I've been watching a lot of cruise videos lately, and I definitely want to try celebrity cruise. I think this one is very luxurious and chill vibes, luxurious, low class, more adults, seems more luxurious than like a Virgin Voyages, which is more, you know, like rock and roll inspired, more edgy. But I want to try both. I want to try many different cruises and just go around the Caribbean. I love the Caribbean so much. So next up is a villa in the Bahamas. I'm going to insert the specific villa that I want to stay at. It is $5,000 to $7,000 per night. This villa, I've seen this when I went from Royal Caribbean to Bahamas. When we landed in Nassau, the first thing that I saw when I came up from my room was this villa, and I was like, Jesus, is such in a pretty location right by Atlantis. And I was like, what, like, who lives there, you know? Like, dang, these people are rich. But it is a villa. I found it on Airbnb, and it's so beautiful. I think it's so secluded. You're surrounded by no one else. It's in a perfect location. You can see the boats come through. You're not on the main island, so it's not as touristy. But I want to stay there for like 2 weeks. Like, it just seems perfect place. When I think of villa, that is what I think of. It is gorgeous. Last thing that I want is a trip to Miami. This does not seem that expensive, but it is pretty expensive if you do the math. Like I said, I want to fly JetBlue to Miami, and then I want to stay at the East Hotel or the SLS and just stay and do like a solo trip. I honestly want to do a solo trip, just to go somewhere tropical and relaxing by myself and stay in a luxurious hotel and just go to the pool and the beach and just walk around and do things for myself. Like, I really want to do that. Like, it is pretty expensive. I tried to see how much it is for a 3-night at the East Hotel Miami. It is like $1,000. So it's like, oh, by myself, like 3 days just to sit there. It is pretty expensive, but I do want to just do a solo trip. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more luxurious content and hear more about things I want that I'm not gonna buy right now, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do luxury content all the time, every day, or once per week. I post luxurious content. So if you like that, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100 subs. Thank you for watching. Bye.